Hi, my name is Conray LABUSCHAGNE. Since 2015, I've been traveling all around the world teaching students, in addition to what I historically taught to students, how to use cryptocurrency to further add to the asset classes that they're using to create wealth. Have you ever sat down to consider, I know cryptocurrency is a little bit overwhelming, I know it might even be a bit scary, but have you really sat down at any point to have a look at it in detail to see how it can really and truly benefit you? One of the amazing things about cryptocurrencies that it's no doubt part of the future. If there's one thing you and I can be sure of, it is constant changing in our ever-changing world. And whether we perhaps understand it or not, but cryptocurrencies is here to stay. Cryptocurrencies, no doubt, like smartphone technology and so forth, is the way of the future. Have you considered that over the years how money has changed and how payment systems has changed? And cryptocurrencies in its very core is nothing other than a payment system. But have you ever considered how this payment system can benefit you? And for that matter, if used correctly, used to create financial freedom for you. I'm coming to a city very near to you, and I sincerely hope that you'll be attending that and you'll be coming to our class and just find out a little bit more information about that and how cryptocurrencies can help you change the rest of your life. Looking forward to seeing you there.